See you soon.
I want to go gym.
I love you.
Nag-gym. And si
Daddy,
Paris
kiss,
gusto
we're going to shop with
mong
mommy.
sumama sa daddy niya.
I buy stickers.
Yes.
Stickers. Okay, bye daddy. Love you too.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
They're going to gyms.
That's right. We're going to
And the toy shop.
toy shop. Okay, ready, steady?
Go!
Yay!
And get this one.
Which one?
This one.
This one? You like this one?
And this one.
Wow.
This one, mommy. And
This one? The gold one? You like the gold one, no?
And the gold one.
Okay.
Jingle bell, jingle all the way.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Hi daddy. Hello. It's Thursday and it's currently 5:30 ng hapon, guys. Ooh, too bright. We are now on our way to pick up our baby girl sa childcare. Alam nyo guys, sobrang ganda ng araw today. Medyo maginaw pero hindi talaga siya sobrang ginaw. Perfect. Perfect lang siya, guys. At dinadala na ni Daddy Mike ang kanyang gym bag. Ayan. Kasi after naming pick upin si Baby Paris, i-drop natin si Daddy Mike sa kanyang gym. Let's check the mailbox, babe. Nothing.
Hello?
Where do you wanna go now?
I'm coming with Daddy.
Do you wanna go with Daddy?
Daddy's going to the gym. Daddy, Paris going shopping. See you soon.
I want to go gym.
I love you.
Gym. Si Daddy guys, pupunta daan. Love you Daddy. Fitness first. Ayan oh. Ang kanilang gym.
I'm going to toy shops.
And si
Daddy,
Paris
kiss, we're
gusto
going to shop
mong
with mommy.
sumama sa daddy niya.
I buy stickers.
Yes.
Stickers. Okay, bye Daddy. Love you too.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
They're going to gyms.
That's right. We're going to
And the toy shop.
toy shop. Okay, ready, steady?
Go!
Yay! Hi guys! Nasa car park na kami ni Baby Paris. Nandito kami sa The Glen Shopping Center. And you know what? Pagbuhat ko kay Paris, guys, naamoy ko siya. Oh, wait honey. You have to wait. Yes. Ayan, I think nakapupo siya, guys. Kaya tingnan niyo ang kanyang bit-bit. Siya, tita, your konbi. Siya, tita, your napi. Buti na lang, meron kaming isa sa sasakyan. Ayan. Yeah, going up. Ngayon, bibilhan ko lang siya ng wipes para matay natin ang kanyang bambam. Good job, Paris. And then, we have to go to the parents' room. Say hi sa tita, be.
Hi, Tita.
Hi, tito.
Hi, Tito.
How are you?
How are you?
Very dirty, oh. No, very dirty ka na.
Did you poop?
You poop? Did you poop?
Did you close?
Wait, anak. Yeah, that's enough. It's gonna be okay. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Ayan si Paris, guys. Pinupush niya. Akala niya, touchscreen. Wow. Come on na. Let's go get wipes first. Go wipe. Get wipes.
Come at me.
Come on. So guys, the reason na pumunta din kami dito ngayon kasi birthday ng mama ni Mike this Sunday. And hahanapan ko siya ng regalo, guys. Ngayon lang ako nakapag time talaga. And also, kasi Thursday siya, late mag-close yung mga shops. Normally, oh my God, normally, yung shops nag-close sila ng 9 o'clock kapag, Thursday tsaka Friday. Kaya, andito kami sa harapan ng David Jones. Ayan. Ayan. Tapos, yeah. Pero bibilhan ko muna ng wipe si Paris para malinisan natin ang kanyang bambam. So, yun yung batang maliit. Is that TV, nak? Big TV? Oh, that's too bright. See, wearing a mask is a condition of entry. Come on, anak. Shall we get it?
Yes.
For Lola?
Okay.
Okay.
Play with teapot.
A teapot?
Gonna make a coffee.
A coffee, that's right. Yeah. This is a mug. It's so cute, guys. Oh. This one is nice now. Have a look. This one is better. It's so cute.
What
Oh.
are the plants?
Kasi may kasamang tea. Yeah, I think we should get that one now.
But
You like that one?
big one. And for this small one,
Okay, no touching, okay?
why the good day mine?
This one, we should get this one, oh.
I'm good day.
Oh, no touching, Annie. Do you like that one for Lola?
No, on this one, I like it. Okay, this one.
Which one?
This one.
This one? You like this one?
No, this one.
Wow.
This one, mommy.
This one? The gold one? You like the gold one, no?
And the gold one.
Oh, okay.
And the picture button. And the picture this white button.
Okay.
And this one button.
Mm-mm.
But I don't like when
Yeah.
I go this way. Okay, mommy.
Mm.
Go this way. Mommy, this way, this way, this way.
This one? Or the white one?
A white. White.
White one?
No, they like it, mommy. Yes. Right. Right. The white one, the pink. And the gold one.
Which one?
The gold one back.
Which one?
This one. And this one.
Water bottle.
And this one. Okay, mommy.
Ah, you want that one? You can bring that to school. Ah, this is the one now.
No, I don't like
See? You can put this on your
I don't like
shoulder.
it.
Mm. This is perfect now. Baba. You can put on your shoulder. It is very late. It's currently 9 o'clock ng gabi. And, say hi sa anak, B. Here. Here. Hi. Bata kami mo. Papakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga napamili namin sa shops, guys. So, pumunta kami doon kasi nga birthday ng Lola Karen ni Paris sa Sunday. So, binilhan namin siya ng regalo, guys. And ito yung napili ko because hindi nyo na siya makikita pala, guys, kasi naka-wrap na siya. Ayan. They offer free wrapping kasi kapag naka-sign up ka sa kanila. So, ayan.
This cat.
Pero nakita nyo to kanina, guys. Yung ano, ipakita ko lang siguro dito sa screen yung ano, pang picture ng pamilya. Nak, we don't open this na kay that's Lola Karen's kuan. Lola Karen's tea. So, tea yung binili ko, guys, kasi you can't go wrong with tea, you know. I know that they love tea very much. So, yeah, different flavors. 5 flavors ng tea. And then, ito, guys, i-open natin. Laruan ni Paris. Stay here. Sit here.
No.
Okay. Gusto na niyang i-open. Ayan. Binili namin to siya sa TK Maxx. Do you wanna open this one up?
Yes.
Okay. So, ayan, oh, yung mga stickers and may pen pa ata. We got this one for $10, guys.
Seven.
Here you go. Still have to open. Still have to open. Alang, hirap na i-open ito na. Ay. Oh, there you go, the stickers. May mga ganito, guys, oh. Ayan. Ah, here it is. Here, there's more stickers, oh. Oh. Wow, mermaid. Now you can play.
Mommy.
Here.
More.
There's more. So yeah, after ng T2, guys, pumunta kami ng H&M. Merong magaganda doon, pero I don't think I need any more clothes. Like, sobrang dami ko ng damit. Anyways, pumunta kami ng TK Maxx. And you know what, guys? It was the first time na umalis ako, kami dalawa ni Baby Paris without the pram. Pumunta kami ng shopping center. Sobrang hirap talaga, guys. Paris is flying up. Paris cries whenever meron siyang gusto tapos hindi ko maibigay sa kanya. She was lying on the floor like a naughty girl. So, sobrang hirap talaga, guys. Kaya hindi ako nakapag-vlog ng maayos. So pumunta kami doon sa TK Maxx kasi meron silang parang trolley na pwede kong malagay si Paris. Kaya parang nagpuyo siya dito. So, ito yung mga pinamili ko doon, guys. So, ito, kasi aalis kami bukas, guys. We are going away. Weekend getaway. So, pupunta kami ng malapit sa dagat for the weekend. And kailangan namin mag 2 nights doon. 2 nights, 3 days. So, kailangan namin magdala ng yung mga toiletries namin. Kaya, ito yung pinili ko, guys. Because, naka-sale siya from $8 to $4 na lang. Kasyang-kasya na dito yung mga pampaganda natin, yung mga beauty derm natin, ganun, mga lotion, mga pampaganda, mga ganyan-ganyan. O, ayan, kasya dyan. At I like it very much kasi clear siya so makikita mo
The
kung ano
paper,
yung...
mommy. The paper side.
Oh, paper side. Do you want mama to open up?
Okay.
Yes, please, mommy.
That's good, mommy.
Okay.
Oh, you want the paper secret.
This... No, kanilang sa na. There you go. And here, you can stick it here.
This one, mommy.
Okay, this one too. What do you say to mommy? Say, this one please, mommy.
This one, please, mommy.
Good girl. Oh. Ayan. There you go. And then, guys, ano po bang napabili natin
Mommy,
doon? Ano? Ay, this one. So, ayan, TK Maxx.
This one, mommy.
We got this for $5, guys. Yung,
This one,
ano,
mommy. This one,
baby
too,
lotion. This one too. Halata na mo na? Open everything na? Kaya isa na lugar dula. There you go.
Where's here?
Okay, play here. Finally, guys, tingnan nyo ang nabili namin. O, diba? Marami sa inyo ang nag-comment before na bakit hindi ko raw bilhan si Paris ng ganito kasi hinahawakan ni Paris yung water bottle niya every time umaalis kami, pumupunta kami ng park. So, very inconvenient sa kanya. And then, kasi wala talaga akong makita, guys. Pumupunta ako sa ibang shops. Wala talagang may hawakan na ganito, may strap na ganito. So, finally, nung nakita ko to sa TK Maxx, sabi ko talaga, we have to get that one now. Meron pang ano, guys, meron pang scrunchie for Paris's hair. But, Nak, do you like this one, Nak?
Yeah.
Yes! And then, pumunta ako sa food court. So, pumunta ako ng food court kasi gusto kong kumain ng fish head soup from the Asian shop. But when we got there, they're already closed. Kaya pumunta na lang ako sa shop na next to it. Pero close na rin sila, guys. May naiwan na ganito. So, ito na lang yung binili ko. It's $8. Ano daw to? Spicy pork and rice. So, si Daddy Mike, ayaw niyang magpabili kasi magluluto daw siya. Alam niyo naman siya, yung kinakain niya na ngayon ay yung mga healthy. Kaninang lunch pala, yung kinain namin ay wrap again with chicken and spinach and all. So, yeah, living healthy. Living healthy na talaga. Actually, we've got, I bought this one, guys. Milk tea. Ayan. Originally, gusto ko yung, taro milk tea. No? But, naubusan sila. So, this one, first time ko to siyang na-try. And tingnan niyo ang pangalan ng milk tea na to, guys. Oh. Ooh! Paris milk tea! Nag-ask ako kung ano yung flavor ng Paris milk tea nila. Sabi niya, caramel daw. Are you a caramel na? Are you sweet? Are you sweet, smelly bam-bam? Did you poo-poo?
No.
Yes, you did. But yeah, kakain lang muna ako, guys. Ayan, si Daddy Mike is making his dinner now. But after that, mag-i-impake kami. Kasi, yun na nga, aalis kami bukas.
Dada!
So, mag-i-impake kami ng mga dadalhin namin. It's very, very exciting, no? Are you excited na?
I finished.
Tomorrow is going to be hot. It's 33 degrees ata, 31 to 33. So, but yeah, I'm super excited guys kasi it's been a while na hindi kami nakaalis. For now, I'm just very happy na kahit hindi kami makapunta interstate or makapunta ng ibang bansa, at least nakakabiyahe na kami na medyo malayo ngayon. So, that's good. You're pushing, are you? Okay. This one ako? That's very nice pen. Very nice pen. But yeah, this one guys, I am hoping na magustuhan to ng mommy ni Daddy Mike. I think she will. Again, she's really into tea. And I think this is just general, you know, like I don't really want to get something na baka hindi niya magustuhan. So at least with this one, I know na gustong-gusto niya to. So yeah. It's wrapped already.
What flavor?
The 5 different flavors. Guys, alam niyo ba, may chika ako sa inyo. Madaling araw na siya. Yan yung chika ko sa inyo. Yan yung chismis ko sa inyo, guys. It's already 12:20. And ngayon lang ko pumasok dito sa kabilang kwarto para mag-impake, guys. Excited lang talaga. Tulog na ang ating mag-ama. And now, we are just going to do packing. Guys, you know what? I'm super happy kasi I can't even remember the last time na ginamit ko tong bag na to para mag-get away kami. Alam niyo yun? Kaya na-excite talaga ako, guys. Ang daming laman ng bag na to, eh. Mga palaman ba? Para mag-keep ang kanyang shape kasi hindi ginagamit. Meron pang aking contact lens. So, yung mga toiletries, bukas na yun siya. Kasi gagamitin pa namin siya bukas pag nag-ready kami. So, yung ilalagay ko lang dito sa bag na to is that yung mga, mga napi ni Paris. And again, guys, we're only there for 2 nights and 3 days. So, we don't need to bring a lot. Pero, alam nyo yan, sa mga mamis dyan, alam nyo yan, na we always have to bring extras, diba? Just in case. Ayan. Tapos, magdala tayo ng mga damit ni Paris. Yung iba pala, nasa hayhayan pa, guys. So, kailangan ko yung kunin bukas. Naghanda na pala ako ng mga outfits ko. So, bukas, nakahang na yung susuotin ko. Kasi bukas is 33 degrees. So, sobrang mainit bukas, guys. And ayon sa weather forecast, sa Saturday ay 29 or 27. And then sa Sunday, can you believe it? It's back to 18 degrees. So maginaw na naman siya. And there's 60% of rain. So, sa Saturday, guys, ang aking i-outfit. Kasi for sure, pupunta na naman kami ng beach niyan. Kasi alam niyo naman ang aking mag-ama, Shokoy at Shokay. So, I got this top from Shake. Ayan. And then, I'm just going to pair it with my pek-pek shorts. Ayan. So, it's going to look really cute. Oh, diba? Beach vibe lang. Si ate nyo. Feel nyo ba ang excitement ko, guys? Hindi halata, no? Hindi halata. As if naman pupunta ng ibang bansa. Dito lang naman pala. Pero at least naman, guys, no? Makakaalis na kami. I'm super happy with that one. Kasi ngayon, kung naririnig nyo, nanonood kayo ng ibang mga vlogs kay Simply Race, yung mga taga South Australia, lockdown sila doon. So, before kami, ngayon sila na naman. So, I'm just very glad na we're able to travel, guys, kahit dito lang sa state namin, Victoria. And then, sa Sunday, kasi nga, maulan and it's cold, shorts pa rin yung dala ko. This is another shorts that I got from Levi's, guys. Ayan. So, kahit maginaw, guys, shorts, pink shorts pa rin. Walang makakapagpigil sa akin. Ito yung pinili ko, guys, kasi I'm going to pair it with my white top. Yung bodysuit from Zara. Ayan. So, cute na cute din siya tingnan, guys. And on top of that, kasi nga, diba, maginaw daw. I'm going to put this on top. So, kikita nyo, guys. Ang ganda ng contrast ng kanilang kulay. So, white and then checkered na, ano ba to siya? Orangey. Maganda yung pagka-orange niya, guys, kasi pastel yung kulay. Hindi yung very bright na orange. Orange. Parang sa Ayon Perez lang. Orange. Ayan. So, maganda yan siya tingnan. O, diba? So, yan yung susutin natin pag uwi sa Sunday. And then, yeah. That's it for me, really, guys. Like, I don't need to bring a lot. Yung kailangan ko lang talaga is yung mga gamit ni Baby Paris. And yeah, I can't wait. Tomorrow pala ng umaga, before kami aalis, pupunta pa ako ng hospital kasi I'm going to do my CT scan tomorrow. So that would be interesting as well. Anyways, I just don't want to think about it, guys, kasi na-stress ako. Parang nag-aalala ako kapag iniisip ko. So that is for tomorrow. So let's think and talk about that tomorrow. Anyways, guys, i-end natin ating vlog kasi I have to wash my face pa. Ayan, oh. But maraming salamat sa panonood ng ating video today. I hope na na-enjoy nyo. Sa ating mga bagong subscribers, maraming salamat sa pag-consider na mag-subscribe sa ating channel. And sana mag-stay kayong lahat dito sa channel natin. I promise you na I do my very best para entertaining yung mga vlogs natin at hindi kayo maboringan sa ating vlogs. And now, we are just going to do a quick shout out para sa ating mga subscribers na gustong magpa-shout out. The first shout out goes to Freddy Martinez Jr. And also Martinez family in Bacoor, Cavite. Shout out to Fides Piging. Pasensya na po kung hindi yan yung pag-pronounce. But shout out po sa inyo. Thank you for watching. Shout out to Marde Pido from Dipolog City. Fritzy Marjorie Ramos. Mad Brat. Wilma Bellarmino. Vicky Inot. Sally Saminiano. Inday Eds. Ivy Haushan. Hannah Sarumines. Jessica Dailisan. Lovely Dimasangkay. Janzi Pinay, Australia. Yet Balino, Rosemary Hilab, Lovely G, Carlota Pedro, Death Slayer, Belendi Jesus, and Aida Desman. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And hope to see you all, guys, in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't, be careful. Bye. Mwah.